Carrot. I eat a carrot every day for good health. Potato. Potato. They boiled the potatoes for dinner last night. Tomato. Tomato. She will add tomatoes to the salad tomorrow. Onion. Onion. I don't like cutting onions because they make me cry. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic was used to add flavor to the soup. Cucumber. Cucumber. He is slicing a cucumber for the sandwiches. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is often used in burgers and wraps. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is a great source of iron. Broccoli. Broccoli. My mother cut broccoli for lunch yesterday. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. We will make roasted cauliflower for dinner tonight. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. I bought green, red, and yellow bell peppers from the market. Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Chili peppers are too spicy for me. Peas. Peas. She added peas to the vegetable curry. Green beans. Green beans. Green beans were steamed and served with rice. Zucchini. Zucchini. Zucchini will be grilled for the barbecue. Eggplant. Eggplant. I don't like eggplant in my meals. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Sweet corn is delicious when boiled with butter. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. We made a pumpkin pie for dessert. Squash. Squash. Squash grows well in warm climates. Radish. Radish. I haven't eaten radishes in a long time. Beetroot. Beetroot. Beetroot juice is very healthy. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage was used to make coleslaw for the party. Kale. Kale. Kale is a superfood packed with nutrients. Celery. Celery. He will add celery to the soup later. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushrooms are my favorite topping for pizza. Okra. Okra. Okra was fried and served as a side dish. Turnip. Turnip. Turnips were included in the vegetable stew. Asparagus. Asparagus. Grilled asparagus is a delicious side dish. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are often roasted with olive oil. Leek. Leek. Leek soup is a popular dish in many countries. Artichoke. Artichoke. Artichokes were served as a starter at the dinner party. Parsnip. Parsnip. He roasted parsnips with honey for dinner. Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Swiss chard grows well in my garden. Collard greens. Collard greens. Collard greens are a staple in Southern cooking. Fennel. Fennel. Fennel was used to season the fish. Radicchio. Radicchio. Radicchio adds a bitter taste to salads. Bok choy. Bok choy. Bok choy is a common vegetable in Asian cuisine. endive, endive. I used endive to make a fresh salad. Watercress, watercress. Watercress grows near rivers and streams. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are healthier than regular potatoes. Lotus root, lotus root. Lotus root is used in many Asian dishes. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos.